Evaluating inverse trig functions on a calculator is very easy to do. I want to do these problems both in degrees and radians. Right now my calculator is in degree mode. If you press mode, you can check what mode you're in. So we'll go ahead and do degree mode first. To evaluate the inverse cosine, that's what the -1 means, simply hit second and then hit cosine and then type in what you want to do the inverse cosine of. So in this case 0.8231. And if you hit enter, you'll see that that's where I got my angle from, about 34.60 degrees. Make sure you include the degree symbol if you're in degree mode. Otherwise, I'll assume you're in radians. Actually, you know what? Let me just show you a quick trick. Rather than do all of these and then switch modes and do them again, if you just switch your mode at this point, so if you go ahead and switch to radian mode, and then clear out of there. All I need to do is hit enter. Again, it'll rework the problem, same problem, but now my answer is in degree or in radians. So about 0.60 radians. Now don't include a pi. The pi has already been multiplied into this. 3.14 whatever has already been multiplied in. So there won't be pi in these unless you divide out the pi and write the pi symbol down, but that would be weird. So just write it down and you can say radians or leave it blank. Okay, I'm gonna, I guess, end the video here because these are pretty easy to do by hand. If you get stuck, I guess let me know. I guess we could talk about this one real quick, the inverse sine of 2. No matter, let me go ahead and switch back. Yeah, let me switch back to degree mode just in case that matters to you, although it doesn't really matter for this problem. The reason it's undefined is there's no sign that can have, there's no angle that can have a sine of 2. It can't happen. If you try to do that, the inverse sine of 2, you're going to end up with an error message. We would say that's undefined. It can't happen. So if you're having trouble getting any of these answers, go ahead and ask me in class. Otherwise, it's a simple matter of just typing those in a calculator. Hit second sine, second cosine, or second tangent to get those inverses.